Good morning everyone. Today we are going to study our chapter 3rd. Let's learn SS 2010. In this chapter we are going to study about the database and how to start SS 2010, its table structure and how to create that tables. Before understanding database, we have to know what is data. Data means raw facts and figures. When data is processed, it becomes information. So, a computer is an electronic machine that inputs data, processes it and gives result. The contact details, the marks scored by the children, the price of item you purchase are some example of data which you deal every day. Similarly, some organization also deal with different types of data like number of employees in a company and their personal details, their salaries, their products, the stocks and their prices, etc. All these are raw facts and figures, and the data needs to be stored and managed. So now what is database? Database is an organized collection of related data values in such a way that they can be used to generate useful information. Okay, an electronic database stored in computer which stores data effectively and helps to manipulate or retrieve it very quickly and accurately. Now we have to study about the database management system. The DBMS or database management system helps in quick retrieval of processed information from large complicated database. And here are some advantages of database management system. That is, the software, DBMS software is easy to learn and use. The DBMS software reduces data redundancy, that means the duplication of data. The DBMS software provides easy retrieval of data. It also enables easy sharing of data, and it also reduces data inconsistency, which means when one file is updated, the same data in another file is also updated by DBMS. The DBMS software provides data security also. It means it ensures that the database is to be accessed with the proper permission and through proper channel. There are some popular database management system software available in the market or over the internet, which are SS, you already aware of it, Microsoft SS 2010 or 7. Next is Apache, OpenOffice Base. Next is Oracle. Others are Microsoft SQL Server and so on. There are so many DBMS software available in the market, and these are which I have told you are the popular DBMS software. Our next topic is SS 2010. The SS 2010 is a database component of Microsoft Office 2010 suite, which allow to store the information in the form of multiple correlated tables. Okay. Next is database objects. There are some objects like table, query, forms and report. Table is the basic component of database management system. In tables, the data is stored in the form of column, which are called field or attribute. An individual field value of a record value is called data value, is stored in it, and it represents the smallest possible value stored in the database. Next is query. Query is the database component which extract or retrieve information from one or more tables of the database that satisfy a specific criteria. Next is form. This database component acts as user interface to enter, edit, view or search the data stored in single or multiple tables. Next is report. Report is also used to present the data stored in the table or query in a printable format to perform different type of data analysis on the extracted information. Our next topic is how to start SS 2010 on your computer. For this, you have to follow some steps. Like first, click on the start button of your desktop menu. From the list, in the next step, from the list of programs, click on the Microsoft Office and then click on the Microsoft Access 2010, which displayed with the file menu open. In step 3, under available templates, click on blank database, and in the last step, step 4, enter a name for the new database in the file name box and click on create button. Okay. Next is component of SS 2010 window. Here are some components like backstage view, the quick access toolbar, the ribbon, the navigation bar, and the task list form. First one is the quick access toolbar or the backstage view, that is the title bar format. In this, the title bar present at the top of the SS window displays the name and path of the current database. It also contains the control button to minimize, maximize, and close the SS window. Next is ribbon. The ribbon provides commands used for performing various tasks in SS. The ribbon is divided into various tabs which contain set of options related to particular type of task. Next is navigation pane, which is located in the left part of the SS window, which display list of various database objects. Next is the work area. The work area is also known as workspace. It is the area where all your database objects, table, form, query, and report are displayed. This is the middle part where you can work. Next is table structure or data types. A data type determine the type of data in a field. There are different data type in SS, that is the text, the number, the auto number, the currency, date and time, memo, yes or no. A text field contains letters, numbers, and symbols. The number field contains numbers, the numerical value. The auto number field stores unique value automatically. The currency field contains symbols for currency. The date and time field contains the present date or time in which the form is filled. The memo field contains long text with all kind of data. The yes and no is for the logical field, which is for true or false. Y is for yes, N is for no, F is for false, and T is for true.